Welcome to Heartbark, the website set in a beautiful virtual forest where users carve positive messages into trees that grow higher with every message. As the Heartbark trees grow, Heartbark becomes a unique historic timeline. Heartbark is perfect for networking the events and feelings in our lives in a whole new way, and it's totally free. Right now we're on the main tree called the World Tree. All registered users get a home on the World Tree and are able to mark on it. In addition to the World Tree, you can also plant your own trees that you may want to dedicate to yourself, your family, romance, causes, clubs, memorials, your business, and much more. Through Heartbark, you can send private messages that are virtual greeting cards, and these are called bird words. Okay, let's take a tour. First of all, we have the Heartbark logo. When you click on the Heartbark logo, you'll be taken to the World Tree. If you're logged in, you can click on My Home, which will take you to your user options, your marks, and your trees. You can carve a bark mark on a tree, you can make a sap stamp, you can send a bird word, and you can also view your trees. Right now our location is the World Tree. You can go to the top or the bottom of the tree, you can scroll up or down, and you can click on the question mark to be taken to a random place. You can also use your keyboard to scroll up or down as you wish. The tree will always show you the date of any mark made, and you can search by date. You can also see the height you're at and search by height. Search for marks, trees, or users as you wish. This will search the entire database, and you can review the Fast Start video at your leisure. You can also click on Quick Help or Frequently Asked Questions. On the trees are bark marks. Bark marks are permanent imprints made into the tree that have a heading or title. You can click on the bark marks to see an underlying message, or you can also send the bark mark through an email or post it onto your favorite websites. These are called sap stamps. Sap stamps are icons imprinted into the tree where you can also click on them to view an underlying message or send them on. Let's do that now. I'll click on this sap stamp, which is a flower. The message underneath the flower is, "My wife smells as good as a fresh flower." We can send that out via email by simply clicking on the users that we've inputted into our database, or we can grab the link and post it to Facebook or other sites, or we can use this link to send out in an email. So I would just copy it and paste it wherever I want it to go. Okay, these are user homes. If I click on the user home, it will take me to that person's personal residence, of course, and we can see their marks and trees, if any. Alright, now I'm going to take you to My Trees, and I'm going to show you how to plant a tree. This would be a new tree, that would be the title, and I can not allow others to post, or I can have different posting options for different users. If I want to save a personalized URL, I just type it in, click on Plant a Tree, and I've got a new tree. Here's an example of a individual tree that I've already planted. This one's dedicated to my friends and family. The nice thing about the individual trees is that you can edit a mark as you wish. Here, let's say I wanted to change this mark or delete it. All I have to do is just edit it and save it, or delete it and save the bark mark, and it will disappear. Alright, now I'm going to take you back to the World Tree and show you how to send a bird word. A bird word is a private message, so I'll type private message here, that you can send to somebody, which is like a personal greeting card. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. And this will say, "See you later." And I'm going to preview it, and you'll see how beautiful these are. They look excellent. It automatically signs your name. And now all I have to do is create the bird word, and I can, again, either grab the link, post it into an email or onto a website, or I can email it out, and that will be received by whomever I want to get it. Okay, that's a brief look at Heartbark. Enjoy.